arrested.
I can be arrested if you want.
Don't put your hands in my face.
I can be arrested if you want.
Don't put your hands in my face.
What is your face?
You're putting your hands in my face.
You better even make your life with the Lord Jesus Christ.
What are you doing here?
I am preaching.
You are preaching. I'm going to require you to go away.
You can never.
Okay, then I will arrest you for a breach of peace. Plain and simple.
What breach of peace?
It's what you're doing at the moment. You're causing problems, you're disturbing people's days, and you're breaching their peace. Okay, so for that to be dealt with, if you won't go away voluntarily, we will have to arrest you.
I will not go away because I need to tell them the truth. Because Jesus is the only way, the truth. Jesus is the only way, the truth, and the life.
I appreciate
and
that.
Nobody.
But nobody wants to listen to that. They want you to go away.
Oh, you don't want to listen to that. You will listen when you are dead. You will listen when you are dead. You will listen. Take me. No. Don't take my Bible away. Don't take my Bible away. Don't take my Bible.
Gave you the simple option.
Don't take my Bible away.
No,
We're not taking it away.
Before that, sir.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Whatever you like, you can even do. Whatever you like. Where do you park?
Huh? We're not parked anyway. We're going to go for a walk. Thank you.
You want me to